Aloha. I'm Andy. In today's video, I will show how to update the BIOS for the Compaq CQ58 309 SQ laptop. In my last video I replaced the BIOS battery because the laptop stuck on a black screen that said, the CMOS checksum is invalid. The CMOS will be reset to the default configuration and will be rebooted. Please check your BIOS setup option to see if they change. CMOS reset, error code 502. Press enter to reboot the system. For more information, please visit www.hp.com/go/tech-center/startup. In this video I will update the BIOS for this laptop. You can check the current BIOS version by entering in the BIOS, using a third-party program like AIDA64, Speccy, or just using the built-in system information program by typing Ep.382 in the run. The current BIOS version is the F36, from 2013 February 19th. I copy the stock keeping unit code. By the stock keeping unit number I search for any BIOS update file on the HP official support page. And I find at least one update file, the F39, revision E. This laptop has the F36 version. I look if there is any BIOS update file between the F36 and F39 version. About 10 years ago I almost brick a motherboard by skipping a few BIOS updates version. I had to send to a repair shop to rewrite the BIOS and that cost me about half the motherboard price. So from that bad experience I always update the BIOS step by step. The F39 update version provides improved security for UEFI EDK2. There is the F37 revision BIOS update, which fixes an issue where the display brightness controls cannot be adjusted after Microsoft Windows 7 is installed on the system. I download both BIOS update file to the desktop.
Warning. During the update procedure, make sure your battery is charged minimum at 25%. Make sure your system is connected to AC power. Do not disconnect the PC from the AC power. Do not shut down or reboot the PC. Do not connect or disconnect any USB device. Do it on your own risk. I will not be held responsible for any damages.
I launch the F37 BIOS update file and I follow the instructions. Because I don't have a capture card, the rest I will filming with my phone. The BIOS update procedure is filmed in real time, so be patient and wait. Don't shut down or reboot the laptop, otherwise you may brick your motherboard. The BIOS update procedure has started. the laptop is restarting. Sometimes the BIOS update procedure will finish only after a full reboot, like in this case, so don't turn off the laptop. And now is finishing the BIOS update procedure. Now I launch the F39 BIOS update file and I follow the instructions. The BIOS update procedure is filmed in real time, so be patient and wait. Don't shut down or reboot the laptop, otherwise you may brick your motherboard. The laptop is restarting. Sometimes the BIOS update procedure will finish only after a full reboot, like in this case, so don't turn off the laptop. And now is finishing the BIOS update procedure. I check the current BIOS version, and it is the F39 version. In my next video I will show how to enter in the BIOS and I will show the BIOS settings. If this video was useful to you and do you want to reward me with a cup of coffee, you can do it by clicking on the link in the description, select one cup and click on the support button. Thanks for watching, don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe. See you next time, goodbye.